Hello and welcome to part 2 of our video on how to use GIGA Mobile App. In this video, the topics to be covered are: first, order book; second, we'll cover trade book; third, we'll look at net position; and fourth, we will see some miscellaneous functions which are available in GIGA app. Now let us toggle back to the screen with our GIGA app. In our previous video, we learned how to create a market watch, add and delete scripts, check your balance, as well as how to place orders. Now let us check out the order book, trade book, as well as net position windows available in GIGA app. To check out the order book, just click on orders available here. It will open the order book by default. As you can see, I had placed an order previously in SBIN script which was rejected, and you can see the order detail here. There's a filter option available here which you can use to filter the trades based on exchange, segment, action, product type, as well as sort them alphabetically. As you can see, the options are also available here. You can click on pending to check out your pending orders, on executed to check out your executed orders, and so on and so forth. Trigger pending option can be used to view stop loss orders. Rejected orders can also be viewed. As you can see, my SBIN order which was rejected is also available here. The trade book will show you the various trades which were already executed and placed. Even here the similar filter function is available. As a matter of fact, you can also filter trades from a particular date to a particular date by clicking on the date available here. Suppose you would like to check the trades from 1st to 24th of December, just click on 1st and set it as the start date and click on OK. Select the end date as 24th and click on OK, and it will show you all the trades. Since I have only recently activated my account, there have been no trades placed, so no data is available currently. From trade book, you can also convert your positions from intraday to carry forward or vice versa. The net position window will show you your MTM or mark to market, which is the profit and loss you have made today. A similar filter function is also available here. Now let us check out some additional features which are available in GIGA Mobile App. For example, you can choose the markets option available at the bottom to check out the top gainers and losers in equity, the 52-week high and low stocks, active scripts, as well as stocks which have hit the upper and lower circuit today. Similar information can also be found for the derivatives, commodity, as well as currency segment. You can see the top gainers and losers, the open interest gainers and losers, as well as the scripts which are active and have considerable volume. Now let us go back to our market watch. Suppose you would like to check out the chart for SBIN and do some technical analysis. It's very simple. Simply click on the script, click on view chart to open the chart for SBIN. This is a time price chart for SBIN. In case you would like to view a wider vision, simply rotate your mobile to make it horizontal. To change the interval, you can simply select the 1 minute here and change it to say 15 minutes. To change the duration of the charts, see the options available at the bottom and select accordingly. For example, you would like to check the 1 year chart, simply click on 1 year. Now the time interval has been modified to 1 day. You can further modify it by changing to 1 week or 1 month. This is the historical chart. If you would like to view charts other than candlestick charts, simply click on display and select the chart of your preference. A lot of options are available and you can change it accordingly. For example, I would like to change it to bar chart. Click on bar and the display of the chart will change. Let us move it back to candlesticks. In case you would like to add some indicators, just click on the studies option and add the indicators which are available here. A search function is also available here. There is also a payable feature called trade from chart which you can activate by clicking on this icon. Obviously this is a payable feature, so kindly make sure to find out the charges regarding this from our support team and then subscribe to it. Currently I do not want to subscribe to it, so I cancel my request. If you would like to use the crosshair function, just click on this plus button and move the crosshair anywhere you would like to mark out levels. Now let us move back to our normal screen. Stock Report Plus, also a payable service, is also available if you would like to download stock reports regarding various scripts. Since I have not yet subscribed to it, I can only see the first page of the stock report. For charges for Stock Report Plus, do contact support team and they will let you know the details. Now, a lot of you like to trade using a darker background instead of a light background. Suppose you would like to change it to a dark background, simply go to the three lines mentioned here, go to settings and change it from light to dark, and the background color will change. If you would like to change your password, click the change password option. If you would like to change your smart logging details, currently I have set it as my fingerprint, but if you would like to change it to MPIN, the option can be selected here. Default product type, that is the product type which is available when you open the order placing screen, has been set as CNC, which you had seen previously. If you would like to change it to MIS, cover order, bracket order or NRML, it is up to you and you can just simply select it and turn it on. Now let us go back to our order placing screen. When you place a buy or sell order, you will see the default product type is MIS since I have changed it from my setting. With this, I have covered all the basics of how to use GIGA Mobile App. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you have any further queries regarding GIGA Mobile App, please feel free to contact the support team by emailing us at customersupport@gwcindia.in. You can also WhatsApp us at 7338895491 or call us at 04440329999. Happy trading!